Can a bad mattress cause leg pain? If you're waking up with leg pain and wondering if your mattress could be the culprit, you're not alone. Let's explore how your mattress can impact your leg health. First, the firmness of your mattress plays a significant role. A mattress that is either too soft or too firm can fail to provide the right support for your body. If it's too firm, it won't contour to your body properly, which can lead to pressure points, especially in your hips, shoulders, and legs. On the other hand, a mattress that's too soft won't provide enough support, forcing your body to bear the pressure from your heavier areas, resulting in pain and discomfort. Another critical factor is the age and quality of your mattress. An old or cheaply made mattress lacks the necessary support and proper weight distribution, straining your body and causing multiple health issues. Over time, mattresses can sag and develop permanent body indentations, which can lead to uneven spinal support and pressure buildup in your back and neck. This misalignment can also affect your legs, worsening any existing leg pain. Your sleeping position is also important. For example, if you're a stomach sleeper, a mattress that's too soft can cause your torso to sink in too deeply, leading to an unnatural sleeping position that can strain your back and legs. Similarly, side sleepers need a mattress that provides enough pressure relief to avoid putting too much strain on their hips and legs. To alleviate leg pain caused by a bad mattress, you can try a few things. Adding a mattress topper can help correct the support issues of your current mattress. Using contouring pillows under your calves can also help relieve pressure from the lower part of your body. However, if your mattress is old or worn out, it might be time to invest in a new one that matches your sleeping position, body type, and comfort preferences. In summary, a bad mattress can indeed cause leg pain by failing to provide the necessary support and pressure relief. Choosing the right mattress firmness and ensuring it is of good quality can make a significant difference in your sleep and overall health. So if you're experiencing frequent leg pains at night, it's worth considering whether your mattress is the root of the problem.